Okay, peeps, time for another unboxing here. I got lucky today, and boom, found the treasure hunt for the 2026 E-Case, which is the Cone Shaker. There's the Hot Wheels logo there, and there's the silver flame on the bottom behind the car. Trying to get a better view for you. There it is on the card. So there it is. There's your 2026 E-Case right there. That tells you it's E-Case treasure hunt. So I found that on the pegs, and I was lucky enough to find yet an unopened E-Case at my local Dollar Tree. So bear with me, let's crack this one open. Hopefully we can find another treasure hunt or the super treasure hunt, which would be nice. I've been waiting for this case forever and a day because no one around here has had it. So this is going to be a excellent unboxing for me anyway, like I said, because I've been waiting for this case. I don't remember exactly what's all in it. Actually, I was even surprised to remember that the Cone Shaker was the regular treasure hunt. I don't remember what the super is. So hopefully it's in here and we can find out together. Yet again, I'm trying to do these videos. I have yet, like I said, I'm working on trying to get a camera with an actual tripod to make things a little bit better and all that. So bear with me. Sorry for the scraping of the box. Oh, let's crack this bad boy open and see what we shall see. I guess something like that. I'll try to get it in focus for you guys, so bear with me. All right. We have the Time Shifter in blue. And there I go, hitting the camera already. And this ain't going to be good. Alright, we have the Ferrari 12 Cylindari. I don't know exactly how you pronounce it, but that's pretty cool. It's red. E-Case. So basically all these are going to be new to me, because I don't have any except for that one Moon Eyes long block. Here's the Polestar TRX in yellow. These are cool. I like these. And, you know, like I said before, it's different, so I like different, of course. And plus, that kind of go towards my truck collection. Okay, what else do we have here? We have the 68 Dodge Dart in that burnt orange. It's cool. I like that. Even though I think I have a couple from F-Case already, but it's still going to that's going to go in the collection. Here's the Huku Type D in that like light green. It's okay. I mean, it's, you know, yet again, like I said, it's different, so. We have the Cruise Bruiser in a tan and beige. I like these. Of course, I like the 55 Nomads better, but that's just my opinion. Okay, we have the Honda, or the custom 2020 Honda E in yellow. I know I definitely have one, at least one of those, if not two, from F-Case. Here's the Mazda RX-3 in silver, gray. Not bad. That's okay. Eggshell Racer in yellow. I have one for this case, and I have one for the other, and I think I have a couple that I'm either gonna give away or trade or something. I don't know if anybody's interested. Here's the Erskine rod in green. That's cool. I think I have one from F-Case. I think it carried over. That will definitely go in my truck collection. So here we go with the Volkswagen ID Buzz Bomb in that pink purplish color. I don't know exactly what you want to call it, but kind of cool. Different. And yet again, here we go with another Cruise Bruiser in that tan or beige. That's 2 for this case. That's the only problem with getting cases. You'll run into doubles or triples of the same one. Here's the Liberty Works Lamborghini Huracan Coupe in black. This was sought after for a little while. I don't know if it still is or not, but at least now I have it in my e-case collection. Here's a coupe clip. I don't know. I heard this is supposed to be the El Segundo. I don't know. To me, it kind of looks like the Corvette, but yeah. I'll pass on it. It's not a Porsche, but it's in the collection. Come in the case. So here's the twin Dorado in white. I like these. Like I said, these remind me of the 60s concept type vehicles. That's why I like the Diora 2. Because it does definitely remind me of that era. Yes, I know I'm kind of stating my age by saying that, but here's a supercharged in red. Not one of my favorite castings, but I have it in the collection, so there we go. Here's a Maserati Typo or 61, I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's the Maserati. Here's the Mazda RX-3 tuned in blue. I think I have 2 of these from F-Case, but it's nice to have one in E-Case. Like I said, I'd like to try to have one from every case, so. Speaking of the El Segundo Coupe, here it is in white. And a little burned out on those, to be honest with you, but it is what it is. Here's a Voltage Spike in white. I've seen these, I think they're in F case or C case. I don't remember. Maybe even D. I could be wrong, and I kind of passed on it, so now I have it in the E-case. Here's a custom 66 Tornado in that burnt orange. I know I have 2 of these from F-case, so it's nice to have one in E-case now. Awesome. I'm trying to hurry it because I don't want to make this video super long, because I don't want Facebook or YouTube to say, hey, it's too long, we gotta cut it down. Here's the 16 Cadillac ATS VR in orange. This is sweet. I like this. I don't know if I have another one. I know I don't have another one from this case. I may have one from either the previous case or next case. I don't know. I'll have to check. Here's another Ferrari 12-cylinder. I don't know, however you pronounce it, but it's in red. That's 2 from this case. And we have a Rapid Pulse in black. It seems like there's one of these in every case, it seems like. Okay. We have the Moto Roto in black with the 8-ball on the side. Which I like these. I think it's probably because of the 8-ball concept. Anyway, always behind the 8-ball, right? Here's the 64 Dodge 330 in white. I know I have a couple of these from the next case, so it's nice to have one from E-case. And here is the long block, Moon Eyes in yellow. This is the only one that I had before this case that I found. So, and I think I have a couple openers. So, that one, I don't know what I'm going to do with that one. So, we'll see. Play it by ear, as usual. Alright, we have the 2019 Audi R8 Spider, which I definitely know I have a couple of these from F-case. So, like I said, it's nice to have one from this case. I try to have one from every case. Here's the 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC3S in orange. I like the orange. Not crazy about the with it being a JDM, but it is what it is. A lot of people go crazy for the JDMs. I'm not a big fan of them, but here's another Hoku Type D in green. This makes number 2 from this case. One will definitely go on the wall in the collection, and the other one may end up going towards the mail-ins, or I'll just give them away. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, and back to this again. Sorry, excuse me. We have another Erskine rod in green, which makes number 2 from this case. We have a Volkswagen ID Buzz Bomb in that pink purple color. That makes number 2. And we have the 85 Honda City Turbo in black. Mainline. I think this was the Super in the last case, I think. Maybe. I could be wrong. I don't have my list in front of me, so I don't know exactly which case it was, but okay, so rounding out the top 3, or the last 3 from the first half of the case, we have the custom 2020 Honda E in yellow. Yet again, this makes number 2. And we have an, whoops, sorry. We have the Mazda RX-3 in gray, silver, whatever color you want to call it. That makes number 2 or 3. I don't remember offhand. Forgive me, I'm getting old. Here's another Eggshell Racer in yellow. This, I think, is definitely number 2. Okay. That's the first half. And no regular treasure hunt, so not looking good, peeps. Let's see what we got for the second half. Ta-da-da! Alright, whoops. Get you back here a little bit. Alright, we have taken out the top 3, maybe, if I can, without spilling everything. Okay, we have the pedal driver in silver. I don't know if I have that one for the next case or not. We have another Hodoroto black with the 8-ball on the side. Awesome. That's definitely number 2, I think. Here's a Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR in that orange. Not bad, but yet again, it's a JDM, so it's okay. Like I said, I'm not big on them. Sorry, I kind of moved the box or hit the camera here, phone. All right, let's see. What do we have here? We have the Pass and Gasser in yellow. Awesome. We have the Pagani Hydra Roadster in green. Awesome. We have the 64 Impala mainline, which is awesome. We have the 2023 Nissan Z in that like burnt orange color. Cool. We have a 70 Chevelle SS wagon in white. I know I have a couple of these I picked up from the F case. We have another Mazda RX-3 in blue tuned. That's number 2 from this case. We have the 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth mainline. We have, my battery's about to die. We have the El Segundo Coupe in white, which makes number 2. Oh, cool. We have Visa at Racing Bulls Formula 1 in white. Awesome. I don't know if I have one of those already or from the previous case or next case. Here's another Passing Gasser in yellow. Awesome, now I have an opener. We have the Rapid Pulse in black, which makes number 2 from this case. Boo-hoo-hoo. We have the Renault Escape F1 in blue. These are pretty cool. I like these. Okay, what else do we have here? I'm trying to hurry up before the phone dies. Here's the Maserati again. A Type Tipu or whatever, 61 in white, number 2. Awesome. We have the Simpsons family car in pink. I think this is the first one from this case, I think. So that's cool. I have a couple from the F case. We have another custom 2020 Honda E in yellow. This makes number 3. Okay, we have another Mazda RX-3 in silver. This makes number 3 for sure. We have the 1985 Honda CRX in yellow. Mainline. I think people were really looking for that one. We have another 68 Dodge Dart in that burnt orange. Cool. I'm trying to hurry up here, peeps, because I'm afraid this battery's going to die on me. We had a Porsche Carrera in a brownish copperish color, which is awesome because I don't have one from this case. So that's nice to have. Toyota Prius Custom without the luggage rack. So that's in white. Oh, awesome. We have another 16 Cadillac ATS VR in orange. That makes number 2. So now I have an opener. Oh, we have another 96 Porsche Carrera in that copper brownish color. That's 2, even though I already have an opener and that. There's that custom 66 Tornado in red. This is a really sweet looking casting. I like that one. Here's a Corvette C7 Z06 in pink. I have it from this case now, so no big deal. Not big on the Corvettes, but it is what it is. Alright, we have another 85 Honda CRX in yellow. This makes number 2 from this case. We have the twin Dorado in white. Like I said, these remind me of the 60s concept type vehicles. Acceleron in white. We have a Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR in that orange. We have the 2019 Audi R8 Spider in black. I think that's what, number 2 or 3 from this case. We have another coupe clip in purple. The El Segundo coupe clip. And the last 3 from this case, we have a Renault E-Space F1 in blue, which makes number 2. Another Eggshell Racer in yellow. I don't know, that's what, 3 or 4. And then the last one from this case, peeps is the Supercharge in red. And this is either number 2 or number 3. Not sure. So there we go. That is the unboxing of the 2026 E-Case. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry if it seemed a little rushed here towards the end, but like I said, I apologize because I don't want the battery to die. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, a comment. It's up to you either way. Thanks for checking it out. Have a good one, and peace.